Welcome back, home enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of gray kitchen cabinets. You know, Chip and I have always loved the way a good kitchen remodel can completely transform a house. It's the heart of the home, after all. And lately we've been seeing so much life and versatility with gray cabinets. Whether you're renovating or just dreaming, these ideas will inspire you to create the kitchen of your dreams. Gray is such a wonderfully neutral backdrop, and it pairs beautifully with so many different styles. From modern farmhouse to sleek and contemporary, there's a shade of gray out there for everyone. So grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and let's explore 5 stunning gray kitchen cabinet ideas that will have you reaching for that paintbrush in no time. For our first stop, let's step into a modern masterpiece. Think clean lines, minimalist design, and a sense of effortless chic. Handleless cabinets in a cool, light gray instantly elevate the space, creating a sense of spaciousness and airiness. Imagine these cabinets paired with sparkling white countertops, maybe even a waterfall edge for that extra touch of drama. And don't forget the backsplash. We love the idea of using a subtle geometric tile in shades of gray and white to tie everything together. Add in some statement lighting, maybe some sleek pendant lights over the island, and you've got a modern kitchen that's both functional and oh so stylish. Now, if you're drawn to that cozy farmhouse feel, you're going to love this next idea. Picture this warm, inviting gray shaker cabinets. They just exude that timeless charm, don't they? To really amp up the rustic vibe, consider incorporating open shelving. It's the perfect way to display your favorite dishes, vintage finds, or even a touch of greenery. And speaking of greenery, a big, beautiful farmhouse sink with a gooseneck faucet would look right at home in this kitchen. To complete the look, think about adding some wood accents. Maybe some reclaimed wood beams on the ceiling or a butcher block countertop on the island. It's all about creating that perfect blend of rustic charm and modern functionality. Who says you have to choose just one shade? Mixing gray and white cabinets is a fantastic way to add depth and visual interest to your kitchen. Consider using a darker shade of gray for the lower cabinets and a crisp white for the upper cabinets. This creates a beautiful contrast that makes the space feel larger and more open. Plus, it's a great way to incorporate different styles. For example, you could pair traditional white shaker cabinets on top with more modern flat panel gray cabinets below. To tie the two colors together, think about using a countertop material that complements both shades, maybe a classic white marble or a light gray quartz. For those who appreciate a clean, minimalist aesthetic, matte gray cabinets are a dream come true. The matte finish adds a touch of sophistication and understated elegance to any kitchen. And to really enhance that seamless, streamlined look, consider integrating your appliances. A built-in refrigerator hidden behind cabinet panels and a sleek, integrated dishwasher will create a sense of unity and flow. Complete the minimalist vibe with simple hardware. Maybe some sleek bar pulls in brushed nickel or black. And you've got a kitchen that's both stylish and functional. And finally, let's talk about a timeless, classic, traditional gray cabinets. There's a reason this style has stood the test of time. It's elegant, versatile, and always looks polished. To elevate the look even further, consider adding a touch of glam with brass hardware. Brass cabinet pulls, knobs, and even a brass faucet can add warmth and sophistication to the space. And don't be afraid to mix and match finishes. Pairing brass hardware with black accents, like a black range hood or black pendant lights, creates a striking contrast that's both modern and timeless. There you have it, folks. 5 stunning gray kitchen cabinet ideas to inspire your next kitchen makeover. From modern and minimalist to rustic and traditional, there's a shade and style of gray to suit every taste. Remember, the kitchen is where memories are made, so don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Choose the design elements that speak to you and create a space that feels both stylish and welcoming. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design tips and ideas. See you next time.